Hey guys, in this video we're gonna learn how we can install CentOS panel or control web panel in our VPS server. Before to start, we need a VPS installed with the CentOS 7, maybe CentOS 6, or maybe ARMA other distribution of Linux which uh, CentOS supports. So here I'm gonna install this script on basically on a VPS which is running on CentOS 7. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just first update my server. First, I need to connect to my server. I've already connected through SSH. So then I'm gonna run yum update command. It's gonna take some time to get update. Also, after updating it, okay, after running the update command, we just need to get into this folder. Oh, sorry, that's the wrong thing. Go get into this folder, and we're gonna get this script, the latest script. Okay, we don't have duplicate, so we're gonna type yum install. Yes, and we will get this script. All right, we are done with this one. And now, before to execute this script, I will say to reboot this server. That's gonna be very good practice. So all right, we back into the server after restarting it, and now I'm gonna execute this file here. Okay, sorry, we need to get into the src folder once again, and now sh, and it's going to be done. It's gonna take around 15 to 20 minutes, so don't worry about that one. And be patient, don't do anything, otherwise you will get end up with more errors you need to solve out. So take your time. So here we got our details. Now the installation has been completed, and you need to save these details before it get lost. So first let's try on this one. Alright, it's working perfectly. I'm gonna log in and get back to you guys. So before we get started, first we need to reboot our server. Hmm, okay, it's gonna done. And now I'm gonna go into this panel. So it's gonna take some time. And in the first part, this is gonna be our first part only. So I'm gonna just show the installation. In the second part, I'm gonna show how you can add the host name, also point the domain to this one, also create the name server. So basically your server is ready to go. So if we say login, now we are good to go and log in. And now it's done. And the first thing we will greet with this a lot of errors. Basically, these are not errors. We need to sort this out to get our server running. So don't worry about that one. And we're gonna fix that one in our next video. Thank you.